Hello, this is Ria and you're watching The News Point. In a landmark decision in the 23,000 crore Punjab National Bank fraud case, a special CBI court in Mumbai has discharged former Executive Director K.V. Brahmaji Rao from all charges, marking a significant development in one of India's biggest banking scams. The court's ruling came after careful examination of evidence and arguments, concluding that it was humanly impossible for Rao to supervise or be responsible for every transaction occurring across the bank's extensive network of over 7,000 branches. The fraud, which involved the issuance of unauthorized letters of undertakings, primarily from the Brady House branch in Mumbai, could not be linked directly to Rao, who held a policy-level position rather than an operational one. The judge sharply criticized the CBI's selective prosecution strategy, pointing out that Rao was singled out despite other officials in similar or even more senior roles not being charged. This pick-and-choose approach, the court noted, raised questions about the thoroughness and fairness of the investigation. The verdict also highlighted the absence of any evidence showing that Rao benefited personally from the scam or intentionally overlooked regulatory guidelines. The court pointed out that decisions regarding the delay in implementing Reserve Bank of India directives were made by the bank's IT department and approved by the managing director and CEO, not by Rao himself. Furthermore, the court referred to a 2018 RBI complaint that named other officials but notably excluded Rao, reinforcing the view that he was not complicit in the wrongdoing. The judge reiterated the legal principle that negligence or poor governance does not automatically translate to criminal conspiracy without clear proof of intent or direct involvement. This ruling has far-reaching implications for accountability in large-scale financial crimes, especially those involving complex corporate structures and sprawling organizational hierarchies. It stresses that holding senior officials criminally liable requires concrete evidence beyond their positional authority. The case underscores the challenges law enforcement agencies face in prosecuting white-collar crime where multiple layers of management are involved. While K.V. Brahmaji Rao has been cleared, the broader investigation into the PNB fraud continues, with key accused like Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi still fighting legal battles. The ongoing proceedings include multiple charge sheets, asset seizures, and cross-border cooperation efforts, illustrating the complex nature of such financial scams. This verdict also invites scrutiny of the investigative approaches of agencies like the CBI, urging them to adopt more comprehensive and impartial strategies when dealing with high-profile cases. As the legal process unfolds, this decision may influence how accountability is assigned in future cases of banking fraud and corporate misconduct, potentially leading to reforms in both investigative and judicial processes. For now, the discharge of a senior executive like Rao is seen as a reminder that justice must be grounded in evidence and fairness, not merely in the stature or position of the accused. For more updates, keep watching The News Point.